Okay, the shipping, right? In order for it to work, you must first define your zone first, meaning where you want to send to. So usually we group Semenanjung all together. In this for Malaysia lah, assuming Semenanjung, Malaysia example lah. So it's Semenanjung, then you need to put all of the location of Semenanjung, which is Malaysia, Johor. Okay, don't put Malaysia because then you'll be all. You need to put all of those that is in Semenanjung. Melaka, Negeri Sembilan, Pahang, or Penang, Pahang, Perak, Perlis, Selangor, Terengganu, Putrajaya, and Kuala Lumpur. So if you're doing for Sabah, Sarawak, you need to separate there. So we call this would be east of Malaysia, lah. Semenanjung East Malaysia. So once you do that, over here is where you set your shipping rates. So you add your shipping method. There's a few. Weight base will be weight base. So if I add weight base, okay. So now it is using weight base, but weight base, we need to define the logic for weight base. So first is, after we do this, we save, right? Done. Weight base seems like we still need to set it first. There's a settings here that you need to, hold on. Okay, add shipping rules. So this needs to be set up first, the weight base. So what is this? Is this taxable or not? That's you need to decide on this. So what is this rule? So it is, let's say, what is the location? So if it's same thing, you need to set the rules here. It's a bit double work lah for this one. That's how it is. You need to define the rules for the weight first. So it's like, let's say Negeri Sembilan, Penang, Perak, Perlis, Selangor, Terengganu, Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya. Again, this depending on your shipping logic lah. It could be just you want Selangor and Kuala Lumpur, then you put those two. So this is where you put, if it's above, let's say 1 kg lah. It's usually by, if I'm not wrong, it's by kg, yes. Yeah, it's usually by kg. Then up to below how much, so it's 5 kg, then it's how much. Order subtotal, if there is a order total, but this is going to be based on weight lah. So if it's above, maybe 0 lah, 0.0 lah. So it's considered up to 5 lah, below 5 kg. Then you will define how much is it lah. This is if there is a weight lah within certain range, if you want to. If not, then the charges will be this. Your base cost and the weight cost. So charge, so you could put like this. Let's say a base is 5 ringgit, which is meaning no matter what, the initial cost is 5 ringgit. Then you will charge 1 ringgit after 1 kg or per each kg. And it's over how much. If you leave it blank, then there's no limit. So it's 1 ringgit for every kg. So it depends how you want to set this logic to be. If you want to mix and match, example 0 to 5 kg, you need to set the logic here. It is under above and below what. So if it's above 5 kg, then you need to add the same process again, and then you put this as 5 kg above. I hope it's clear. Then your base cost again, and same thing will calculate accordingly. But keep it simple. Keep it simple, meaning there's no logic. No, there's no logic. It's starting from 0. That means every 1 kg you just add 1 ringgit or 2 kg, 2 ringgit lah. Example lah. So base price 5 ringgit, but every 1 kg you charge 2 ringgit. something like that. Okay, hope this one is clear. Okay, so once I set, you see, then it is here, the logic is here. Then you save changes, of course. Once you set that, I refresh this page, the one I was just setting just now. My shipping method, okay. Yeah, make sure to set your shipping rules, like this one. Okay, save changes. Okay. Okay, so Semenanjung is that weight based. So if you want to mix it, Semenanjung, you will need to add another shipping method, which is flat rate. If you want another one, flat rate basically is pretty straightforward lah. It's basically your cost. That means if it's wait, I think you have defined this shipping class here. So each shipping class also over here, you have manually defined it lah, basically looking at this. So you could actually have a standard shipping class. Maybe example, let me see, add a shipping class. Any product. So it depends how you want it to be. This shipping per item, in other words, which is the per item basis. Right? Yeah. Flat rate, meaning I say the moment they order, that will be the total amount that's going to be adding. Yeah, flat rate. Okay, that means you can just fix it as it is lah. It's based on per quantity lah. You can keep it simple in the sense that the cost is, let's say, 5 ringgit, then it's every item. That's it. So it's 5 ringgit per item over here. This one will be a bit complex, so I rather use the shipping, the weight base, so that you do a calculation. But condition for the weight base is that make sure every product that you have inside, you have the weight. If there is no weight defined, then there is problem. So let's say example, we go to one of the products. Shipping. See, so your weight, you need to put your weight here. So every product, you need to have the weight. If not, it won't, your whole shipping won't work. So you must remember to set your weight here. Okay? So that's about it. Hope this helps.